Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I welcome you all to the NLEX-SLEX connector. We enter the connector through the green mark on the map, next down to the blue curvy lines, and then the angled red line, and down to the blue-green straight line to the South Luzon Expressway. So tara na, biyahe tayo. Enjoy! So there you go. Thank you so much for riding with me. I hope you enjoy it. This travel is during an ECQ period in Manila wherein movements are limited, as long as you are within the Bubble Plus coverage. That explains why there are only a few cars on the road, and it only took us about 15 minutes from Balintawak to Buendia. And yes, I had to stop filming at the toll gate to assist my auntie, who's a driver, for the fee. Now, we only paid about 120-ish pesos, but it may depend on the vehicle you have. Here in the Philippines, we have 3 classes. So these are the Class 1 vehicles, the Class 2 vehicles, and of course the Class 3 vehicles. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe. Bye for now.